everyone, and welcome to our channel, Jay and Nancy Pants. If you're new, I'm Nancy, and Jay's behind the camera right there. He's our tech guy. Our channel highlights tourist and non-tourist locations in the state of Maine. We have small projects and gardens around the house, and we'll also have a few cameos of our pets, Kumi and Chalupa. Hope you enjoy. So there. We're at Cleary Lake in Jefferson, Maine. Really kicking up some waves on this little lake.
That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to see our next video. Thanks for watching.
So there.